Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this cloud hat on Dress to Impress. So we're going to go to the hair section first. We're going to select this hair. We're going to color it in white leather. We're going to be using that for a lot of our items, so just be prepared. For the Z axis, we're going to put it at Z.60, and then for the scale to 0.80. And then for the rotation, we're going to, put the X at A0. Then we're going to get the bonnet, this one in white and leather as usual. Position it at 0.19 and then 0.46, and then rotate it all the way to 0.54 and 0.63 for the Z rotation. Then we're going to scale it all the way to 0.71. Next, we're going to get the fur hat in, again, white and leather. For this one, we're going to position the x-axis at 0.85, the y at 0.38, and then scale it to 0.57. And we're going to rotate the X at 0.29, and then the Y at 0.37, and then the Z at 0.32. Okay, once you're done, grab the brown beanie, again in white and leather. For this one, position the X at 0.89, the Y at 0.43, and then the rotation at 0.27, Y at 0, and then we are just going to get the moon gazer crown for the sun. If you don't have it, you don't have to use this one in particular. Grab the crown in this color AE8946. I'm just going to save that and color everything that same color. And we're going to scale it to 1. Position the Y at 0.63. And then we're going to get the Runway Diva crown, this one. Toggle on VFX and color it the same color as the crown that we had on just now. Scale it to 1. And position the Y at 0.33 for the sun. And that is how you can create this cloud crown hat on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!